Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Burt County, southeastern Wayne County in northeastern Nebraska, Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, northwestern Washington County, Dodge County, western Thurston County in northeastern Nebraska, northeastern Butler County, northwestern Saunders County, southeastern Stanton County in northeastern Nebraska until 4 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles southwest of Creston to near David City, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. These are destructive storms. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by an automated observation. Stations have reported overturned trucks and wind gusts of 60 to 85 miles per hour with these storms. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lee around 3:15 p.m., Schuyler around 3:20 p.m., Stanton around 3:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include North Bend, Wisner, Pilger, Scribner, Hupper, Pender, and Ewing. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern and east central Nebraska. Repeating. A severe